Good morning, my friends. Happy Monday to all of you. So friends, I have urgent news. As the poverty rate continues to rise across our country, support for universal basic income programs have grown significantly. Our lawmakers are debating on whether all Americans should receive a new stimulus payment this year. Friends, this is your fourth stimulus check update and daily news report. Remember that I'm here every day to bring you up to date on all of the latest, most accurate fourth stimulus check news for seniors, Social Security, SSI, Sddi, RRB, and VA beneficiaries. Also, friends, please do me a favor and share this video on social media and with your friends and family. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, do stay tuned until the end of this video. Thank you so much, my friends.
That law, more than 167 million of those rescue payments of up to $1,400 have gone out to individual families. A recent study, the Census Bureau data found just how much these checks mattered. They drastically reduced depression, according to the study, anxiety, and hardship for families. More than 40% fewer families struggle to afford food, rent, utilities, car payments, student loans, and healthcare expenses. Small businesses and restaurants were getting killed. Now we're delivering loans and support they need to reopen and to stay open. Schools were struggling to reopen, so we made vaccinating teachers a priority.
Rising food prices are emerging as a significant obstacle to the United States' economic recovery. The price of basic staples such as wheat, corn, and soybeans rose significantly last year, which would translate into higher grocery prices worldwide. According to a top economist, consumer food prices tend to lag behind commodity prices by several months. So even if food commodity inflation slows down, as many forecasters expect, households will still face higher grocery bills this year. An inflation gauge that is closely monitored by the Federal Reserve jumped 6.1% last month, compared with a year ago. CNBC News said that the latest evidence shows that many Americans are enduring sharp price increases that will likely worsen as the year goes on. Friends, it is frustrating to me to see that prices are continuing to increase dramatically, especially as this crisis is still ongoing. I know that millions of Americans are going through a tough time right now. It is time for Congress to step in and take action for the American people. The good news, friends, is that new legislation has been proposed. Democratic Representative Ilhan Omar of Minnesota has officially introduced a bill that would create a guaranteed income program in the United States to send $1,200 a month directly to most Americans. $1,200 every month would greatly help millions of Americans that are experiencing financial difficulties, all due to this crisis and rising inflation. The bill is called the Support Act. So far, the legislation has been co-sponsored by progressive lawmakers, including Representatives Cori Bush, Pramila Jayapal, Dwight Evans, and Jamal Bowman. So, my friends, this legislation would create a $2.5 billion grant program to fund local pilots in guaranteed income. These would run in hundreds of communities across our country and provide findings for a national program. According to the Huffington Post, the National Guaranteed Income Program would start sending $1,200 per month to adults earning up to $75,000 per year, or heads of households making up to $112,500 per year. In addition to that, this bill would provide eligible households $600 monthly per child. Then the payments would phase out for higher income earners. The Huffington Post also said that undocumented individuals who file taxes with an ITIN number would be eligible. The legislation would also establish a banking system through the Postal Service for individuals experiencing housing instability to receive these payments. In a statement, Representative Ilhan Omar said, "For too long we have prioritized endless growth while millions are homeless, hungry, or without health care. We as a nation have the ability to make sure that everyone has their basic needs like food, housing, and health care met." So friends, do you agree that more crisis relief aid needs to be passed? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is peanuts. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos, comment below this keyword and also additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch, and please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. The idea of guaranteed income or free money with no conditions to improve economic and other outcomes for low-income people is not new. It has been tested at significant scale in countries such as Kenya and India with great positive results, including improved nutrition, and in the country Finland, where preliminary results showed improved health and well-being. Ilhan Omar pointed to the success of the federal government's own recent experience in giving cash directly to Americans. So far, millions of Americans received 3 rounds of stimulus checks during the crisis. These payments were found to substantially reduce economic hardship, enabling people to buy food and pay bills, and also reducing anxiety and depression. As of December 2021, the Internal Revenue Service had issued more than 175 million stimulus checks, worth $400 billion, under the 3rd round of federal stimulus. A large number of U.S. states have also given out extra stimulus payments, including the states of California and Maine, with many states using funds from the American Rescue Act. But many economists and lawmakers are insisting that more needs to be done to help the American people. Well, my good friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for everyone who has joined me here today and who is watching my videos on a daily basis. I greatly appreciate all of you. To say thank you, I give away Walmart gift cards every Friday. And if you would like to enter that giveaway, click and like my videos, comment below the keyword from each video that you watch, and please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.